Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications because we're constantly breaking down some of the most explosive opportunities in the cybersecurity penny stock space that most retail investors completely overlook. Today, we're diving deep into three exceptional cybersecurity penny stocks trading under $1 that could potentially deliver extraordinary returns if these companies execute on their technology roadmaps and market conditions align favorably. Before we proceed, I need to be absolutely clear. This is purely educational content meant to inform your own research and thinking. This is not financial advice whatsoever. This is not a recommendation to buy or sell any security. Always conduct your own thorough due diligence and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Cybersecurity stocks at the penny stock level are inherently speculative and extremely volatile, so only allocate capital you can genuinely afford to lose completely. That said, if you stick with me through this analysis, I'm going to break down exactly why these three companies are trading at sub-dollar levels, what makes each genuinely interesting from a fundamental perspective, and how disciplined investors can think about approaching the sub-$1 cybersecurity space. The cybersecurity sector is absolutely critical to modern economies and continues growing at exceptional rates. Cyber threats are escalating exponentially with nation-states, criminal organizations, and bad actors continuously innovating attack vectors. Governments globally are prioritizing cybersecurity investment as a matter of national security. Enterprise spending on cybersecurity is accelerating with budgets expanding rapidly. The cybersecurity market is projected to reach substantial size in coming years, with double-digit growth rates expected throughout the decade. When you find cybersecurity companies trading at penny stock levels, despite operating in this high-growth sector, you're potentially looking at genuine inefficiencies. These aren't speculative shells. These are real companies developing genuine cybersecurity technologies serving real customers. The challenge is that cybersecurity is an incredibly competitive space with mega-cap technology companies, well-funded venture-backed startups, and established security firms all competing for market share. But for penny stock investors with proper risk management and the ability to identify companies with genuine technological advantages, the opportunities can be extraordinary. Let me walk you through three specific cybersecurity opportunities currently trading under $1 with different technology focuses, business models, and growth trajectories. The first opportunity is an Israeli cybersecurity company providing trust infrastructure for identity, secure data, and regulated artificial intelligence. The company recently announced that their CEO and board members have begun open market share purchases, demonstrating genuine insider confidence in the company's strategic direction. Most importantly, the company announced a strategic mission to build global trust infrastructure for identity, secure data, and regulated AI across industries and national ecosystems. The company reported H1 2025 revenue of $15.1 million with gross margin expansion to 23%, demonstrating improving operational efficiency. Total assets of $73 million include approximately $40 million of consolidated intellectual property and technology assets. The company successfully settled legacy class action litigation that had been creating structural friction, allowing them to accelerate execution. They've received a $13.3 million private placement investment and restructured $22.85 million of legacy obligations. Most impressively, the company announced engagement with a major European financial institution and aerospace defense sector opportunities. However, investors must understand that the company is trading near its 52-week low after declining significantly from higher levels. The company had a shareholders' equity deficit of $59 million, which improved from $81 million but remains negative. The thesis is that if the company successfully executes on trust infrastructure opportunities, monetizes its significant intellectual property assets, and achieves profitability, valuation could see explosive re-rating from current depressed levels. The second opportunity is a Canadian cybersecurity systems integrator providing identity-centric authentication, data loss prevention, and managed security services. The company recently reported absolutely exceptional critical services revenue growth of 165% year-over-year, with professional services revenue expanding to $2.69 million in Q3. Adjusted EBITDA loss improved to $1.61 million, an 11.5% improvement year-over-year, The company signed a $3 million strategic convertible debenture investment in October, demonstrating institutional confidence. Most impressively, the company projects it may achieve break-even during 2026 if current momentum continues. The company announced triple-digit year-over-year growth in critical services with expanding demand from NATO-aligned nations. They've broadened their opportunity set with formal federal capture functions and dedicated defense practices now fully operational. The company has partnerships with major cybersecurity partners, including CrowdStrike and Abnormal Security. Analyst Ian Patterson, the CEO, outlined that as the revenue mix continues shifting toward recurring services-led work, Plurilock anticipates ongoing margin improvement and operating leverage. However, investors must note that the company is currently unprofitable with ongoing losses despite strong revenue growth. The company operates in an extremely competitive market with larger security firms and well-funded competitors. The thesis is that if critical services revenue growth accelerates, margins expand, and the company achieves profitability as projected, stock appreciation could be dramatic. The third opportunity is a Chinese technology company providing smart security systems, smart city solutions, and artificial intelligence-powered 5G multimodal digital communication platforms. The company reported trailing 12-month revenue of approximately $20.5 million, with growth acceleration in recent quarters. The company operates two main business segments, intelligent acoustics and 5G AI multimodal digital solutions. They provide smart security solutions to schools, communities, government agencies, and retail outlets across China. They've announced acoustic technology solutions and 5G messaging services with expanding partnerships in health management companies. The company provides data discovery and analysis capabilities with natural language processing that simplifies complex data analysis. However, investors must understand that the company is unprofitable with operating losses and negative cash flow. The company trades at depressed valuation metrics, suggesting market skepticism. Analyst coverage is limited with only sparse research on the company. The company faces intense competition from established Chinese technology giants. The thesis is that if the company successfully scales smart city solutions, achieves profitability, and benefits from accelerating 5G adoption in China, stock appreciation could be meaningful. Now let me establish a practical framework for evaluating cybersecurity penny stocks under $1. First, understand that position sizing is absolutely critical for survival in this space. Never allocate more than 1% of your portfolio to any single sub-dollar cybersecurity stock. The entire sub-dollar cybersecurity allocation should not exceed 3 to 5% of your total portfolio. This mathematical discipline ensures that even if multiple picks fail, you survive and potentially profit from winners. Second, focus on companies with genuine technological differentiation. What makes their cybersecurity technology unique? Third, analyze the addressable market opportunity. Is this a company addressing a real cybersecurity problem with genuine customer demand? Fourth, understand management quality and insider ownership. Are insiders buying or selling? Fifth, have predetermined exit rules. Know your pain threshold and profit targets before buying. The macro environment is absolutely favorable for cybersecurity innovation and growth. Cyber threats continue escalating with sophisticated nation-state and criminal attacks increasing. Government spending on cybersecurity is expanding as a national security priority. Enterprise cybersecurity budgets continue growing. Emerging areas like AI security, quantum-resistant cryptography, and secure cloud infrastructure represent massive opportunities. Companies positioned to solve critical cybersecurity problems could deliver extraordinary returns. Here's what I want to emphasize before wrapping up. Cybersecurity penny stocks under $1 contain both genuine opportunities and catastrophic risks. The three companies discussed today represent different technology approaches and market opportunities. A trust infrastructure company for identity and AI security, a critical services-led cybersecurity integrator, and a smart city solutions provider with 5G capabilities all represent different paths to value creation. If you're going to participate in the sub-$1 cybersecurity space, educate yourself thoroughly, understand the specific business models and challenges, analyze financial trajectory carefully, position size appropriately, and be prepared for extreme volatility. Cybersecurity penny stock investing under $1 is speculative but not necessarily reckless if you manage risk appropriately and identify companies with genuine technological advantages. I really appreciate you investing your time in this analysis with me. If you found this helpful and want to see more content breaking down opportunities in the cybersecurity penny stock space, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment and let me know which of these 3 cybersecurity stocks under $1 interests you most. Do you believe in the trust infrastructure thesis for regulated AI and identity? Are you bullish on critical services growth in cybersecurity? Do you see smart city solutions and 5G integration as compelling opportunities? Your thoughts help me understand what analysis resonates. And remember, this is educational content meant to inform your own research, not a recommendation to buy or sell, not financial advice. Always conduct your own research and consult with a financial professional before deploying capital. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.